Ava, who's the cutie girl? Who's the cutie Ava? That's you. You're the pretty princess girl. You're the pretty princess. Ava. Ava Bella, born on December 14th, 2009. Oh yeah, that's a baby girl. Yummy! Say hi! Yeah, hi! Say hi, Eva! What's in the background? Is that your brother Constantine watching Transformers? And then all that noise is your brother really is taking a bath in the sink forever? Yeah. Hey, what are you doing, Ava? Hey, the cutie girl. You're wearing a strawberry dress. Yeah. Strawberry dress.
Can't we find our way out? It must be this way. Stay back, you fools! Stay back!
Alright, that's enough picture for views for now. Give us one more big smile and we'll stop. Ava Bella! Give me one more big smile. Ava, princess! Give me one big smile. There we go.